did a God who is loving, who is all-powerful, create a world with so much pain and suffering? You have created a false assumption that God created that world. The world that God created was a perfect world. There was no tears, there was no war, there was no abuse, there was no murder. When Adam and Eve chose to eat from the tree that God had forbidden, they brought sin into this world. But God is all-knowing, right? If He knew that we were going to eat of the tree, then what put the tree there in the first place? Just because God is all-knowing does not mean He's the cause of everything that happens to you. Don't mistake that God is sovereign and in control for Him wanting it to happen to you. Number two, the reason He put that tree there is free will. He didn't want you and I to be robots that are forced to obey Him. Because God loves you, He wants you to experience love and relationship with Him. He had to give you the option to reject Him. So do not blame God for the pain that came into this world when it was our decision in the first place. But does that mean God does not care? Of course not. God cares so much that He had a redemption plan from the very beginning of history, that the minute sin entered into this world, He wrapped Adam and Eve in animal skin, pointing to the sacrifice of His Son to set you free and redeem you. When hardship comes my way, I will not curse my God. I will worship my God, because He was not the author of this pain, and yet He allows this pain to transform us, to shape us. He turns what the enemy meant for evil for your good.